Hi guys! This lesson we are going to learn how to use ultrasonic sensor to measure distance. Firstly, connect the ultrasonic sensor to I2C interface of Raspberry Pi expansion board. The principle and the command used in this lesson can be viewed in the file under the sound directory. Now, let's get started. Open LX terminal. Enter this command and press enter to come to the game programmers category. Please note that you must be pay attention to case sensitivity and can fill in keyword with tab key. Then enter the following command and then press enter to start the game. Okay, let's look at the performance.